Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching TechTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your computer screen with PowerPoint. So this is PowerPoint 2019. This feature is available with 2016 Professional and above. So you can see this is 2019 Professional plus 20. You can see, and now okay, so this is available for both Windows and Mac users. To record your computer screen, you simply go ahead and launch your PowerPoint wherever it is. So this could be here. If you have pinned it to the taskbar, launch it from the taskbar or wherever it is. Now once you've launched it, you will have to open a blank presentation or any sort of presentation. And to record the computer screen, you go to Insert, Dock here, and on the right top you will see it says Screen Recording. You simply have to click on it, and now you have this recorder. So you can select the area by clicking this Select Area button here and select the area. You can take the complete full screen, but this is just a demonstration. So you can select the area you want to record on your screen, and if you check this box, this is going to record your audio, so make sure your microphone is connected. Then the other option you have, you can record or capture your mouse pointer, so make sure it's checked. Now to record your computer screen, you simply press this button here, or you can press Windows logo, Shift and R. That's basically shortcut. So I'm going to click on it. Now this will count 3, 2, 1 and this will start recording. Now you can start recording here. To stop the recording, you basically take your cursor up here in the center of the screen on the top, and you can simply stop the recording or pause the recording. Again, you've got shortcuts, so you can use the same shortcut to pause the recording, that is Windows logo, Shift and R. If you want to close or stop the recording, you will have to press Windows Shift Q, or you can simply press this square button on the top. So Windows Shift Q to stop it. Now this will be saved in this slide here, so you will have to save this specific video on the computer screen, desktop, wherever you want to save it. So just right click on this clip here and save media as. Okay, so I'm going to save media as, and then just choose a folder where you want to save it, name it, and hit save. This is going to be MP4 format, which is best. Now go ahead and save it, and you can see it's been saved on the computer screen here. Now you can play it, and it's working. There are a few more features. So if you just right click on it, you'll see it gives you a few styling options here. You can use these, and that's very much specific to this presentation. If you want to trim it, you can trim it by pressing this, and you can see what trimming options. Alright, let's see what more. We can give it a start option. So this is for presentation, but we do not want to create the presentation, but you can. So this is how you record your computer screen with PowerPoint. Remember, if you want to start like a new screen recording session, you can simply delete it by pressing delete button and go to Insert and click start recording, screen recording. Or what you can do, because it takes a bit longer time, you can pin it to this quick access section here by pressing this button and go to more commands and look for screen recording. Okay, so you can see I've selected here insert screen recording, so you'll have to look for it, select it like this, and then press the add button and click OK, and this will be added to this quick access toolbar. And every time you want to record the computer screen, you simply have to press this button here, and this will start the recording. Again, these are completely customizable anytime you want. Alrighty, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Alrighty, thanks. Bye for now.